experiencing Palawan's natural wonders and activities. In regard to Palawan, it is renowned for its idyllic beaches, enchanting coral reefs, and verdant rainforests. Yet the province provides much more in terms of recreation. Activities such as snorkeling, scuba diving, kayaking, and fishing are among the plethora available to visitors. El Nido stands out particularly. This paradise, known amongst divers, contains some of the most exquisite locations within Palawan. The lagoons of Palawan boast crystal-clear waters filled with vibrant coral gardens teeming with life, from sea turtles to clownfish and a variety of colorful reef fish ideal for snorkeling or even free diving. Coron Island is home to Japanese shipwrecks from World War II which can be explored, as well as offering numerous bays and lagoons suitable for island-hopping adventures. For those seeking an adrenaline rush, there's always the opportunity to zip-line through Sabang's verdant forests while admiring views of jungle-clad mountainsides below. Alternatively, Honda Bay provides white sand beaches perfect for swimming or simply enjoying some leisurely sunbathing sessions. Finally, Puerto Princesa Subterranean River National Park offers an 8 km navigable underground river, meandering through dark limestone caves scattered with stalactites and stalagmites, before opening up into a lagoon that's encircled by mangrove forests. Truly one of nature's finest wonders worth seeing during your visit. Discover the breathtaking beauty of Coron Islands. Touring the Coron Islands is a remarkable occurrence and one of the most captivating environments in the Philippines. Situated off the northern point of Palawan, Coron Islands offer an array of activities from scuba diving to tramping across rolling hills and verdant woodlands. The islands are famous for their awe-inspiring limestone bluffs, crystalline waters, and vivid coral reefs. There are also exquisite shorelines with lots of recreation such as kayaking or snorkeling. For those seeking more excitement, there's even paddling around wrecks or swimming with whale sharks. The Coron Islands boast a rich array of marine life that makes them an ideal destination for scuba diving enthusiasts. The clarity of the water at some sites affords 30 m visibility, enabling watchers to observe tropical fish and vibrant coral formations in detail. On land, too, there are plenty of activities. Hikers may trek up mountains for awe-inspiring views across the islands or descend into tranquil valleys where hidden waterfalls await discovery. In addition to such pursuits, visitors can also enjoy cultural experiences by visiting traditional villages that still practice age-old customs such as weaving cloths or fishing techniques handed down over generations. From exploring sunken Japanese ships beneath the sea surface to soaking up the sunshine on heavenly white sand beaches, Coron Islands has something special for everyone.